Okay, so let me show you inside the VidInfusion members area just quickly, and also inside the application. So once you log into the members area, you'll be sent to this homepage, and there's a quick introduction video over here. You can access the application over here on the VidInfusion Studio. We've also got training, step-by-step training showing you exactly how to get everything set up. And also, if you've got any questions, you can contact our full-time support team and go through any of the FAQs as well to save you some time in that as well. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously go into the application by clicking on VidInfusion at the top. And now we can just go ahead and click on the green button here. And then what you can do is give your campaign a title. So let's say I'm going to call this one Prezi Campaign. And what you want to do next is grab a URL, so the top URL up here, and simply copy that of your YouTube video and then paste it in over here. It's really, really simple. Then what you can do is get a thumbnail. So I'm going to go ahead and select a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to grab this one, and I just took a screenshot actually of this video. And then what you want to do is hit upload thumbnail. Okay, great, so we've got our thumbnail in there. Now I can save and continue. Okay, and the next step, you can go ahead and add in a logo, and it should be between 50 to 100 pixels in the dimension size, and it will go on the top right hand corner there. You can also have a link on your logo as well to wherever you want to send your visitors. Okay, I'm going to add in just a Facebook title for this one, and let's call this one, okay, and you can have a description as well. Okay, great. Now what you can do is select the different video player style, and I'm just going to select the first one. I like this blue one. We've got a black one, and we've also got a navy blue kind of one that looks really cool as well. So I'm going to select this one here and click on save and continue. And on this step is where it really gets interesting. This is where you can add in video interactive menu buttons and have a video interactive menu, just like you have a navigation on a website when you have menu at the top. You can go ahead and add on a menu bar on the top of your video. So I'll just show you for an example how this works. So you can simply add in text to go on the button. So I'm going to say, for example, I'm going to be selling a product. Let's say buy now. Maybe you create a review video, or maybe you create your sales video and you post it onto Facebook as well, or onto different social networks. You can have a buy now button that will go on here. Now you can say maybe get instant access now, and that will be the headline on your screen. Also the text on the screen. Okay, so I've got some text in there, and the next thing I want to do is add in a text for my button. So I'm going to say get instant access. And then you can have a link to wherever you want to send them. So it could be an affiliate link, it could be a link to a buy now page or to a squeeze page if you want to build leads via your website. So I'm just going to add in just my the VidInfusion website, just as an example. And what we can do is add in another menu button. So I'm going to add in menu button. And say for an example, you are a local business and you want to maybe generate more leads and clients for your business. Maybe you can have a contact us slide. Okay, and you can have your contact details. So you maybe say get in touch. Have your contact details. Okay, so I've added in your phone number, email, and website. And what you can also do is add in a link back to your website. So maybe you can say visit us, or visit our website, or find out more, or something like that. Then you could have the link to your website. So let's just go ahead and add in the VidInfusion one for an example. Okay, great. Now the next one is going to add one more menu button, and this one, if you maybe want to give away a free gift, so maybe you want to give away a free report or a free coupon or something like that, then you can go ahead and add that into the menu button as well. And this will really get people's attention as well, having this menu, and also being able to give a free gift. You'll be able to generate a lot of traffic back to your site, and you can send them back to a squeeze page as well to generate leads. So let's say get my free ebook, for example. Okay, and you can have some text over here. Okay, so I've just added in a quick description, and let's say get free gift, and have a link to your website. Okay, so it's simple as that. Now what we can do is click on save and continue. And you have to see now we have a video interactive menu. So when the video starts playing, you have to see it's playing now. I can turn off the audio just to show you an example. Every time you put the mouse on the screen, you'll see that these menu buttons pop up, and if I click on them, you can see that we have our headline, our text, and our button back to our website. So if I click on that, you can see that it links back to the website. And when they click back, the video will start playing again. And every time you click on the menu button, the video pauses, so it gives your viewer time to go ahead and actually read the content and hopefully send them back to your website to generate traffic and leads and sales. So it's really, really cool, and especially the menu, when you put your mouse on the screen, it really captures viewers' attention because they're like, wow, look at the buttons, and everyone loves clicking buttons. If you're like me, you know what I mean. So you click on that button and it will just really, really get people's attention to send them back to your websites, okay? So the next thing we can do is go ahead and add on a call to action button. So we can either add in a general information website redirect, and that is simply one of these forms, like here, we can add a headline, text, and a button, but it pops up after a certain amount of time. So if you want to add it to the end of your video, you could have a pop-up saying, now check out my website or something like that, and it will pop up whatever time you set. There's also the email sign-up form where you can go ahead and actually, select your autoresponder, add in a headline, and generate leads directly from your video. And this will basically overlay on top of the video. And also we have call to action buttons where you can go ahead and add in, instant buy now buttons and things like that, where you can have your affiliate links or links back to a sales page, and make sales directly from the leads that you generate from these social networking sites. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you. So simply just add in, your link. Okay, and the headline, let's say get instant access now. And then you can select your button. So let's go and grab that one there. And then select the time that you want the pop-up to begin. So let's say after 5 seconds, and click on save and continue. Now what we can do is go ahead and add in our social share buttons, and you can select whichever ones you want to have. I'm going to select them all. And this basically allows users to go ahead and share the video with all the features directly onto their social networking pages, and it really gets your videos that viral exposure and helps you to generate more leads and sales and traffic from their friends. Okay, so you can see this is the final video here. We've got our social buttons here, we've got our menu button, and when we play this through, you'll be able to see after 5 seconds that we have a call to action button which appears. Okay, so they can open up that link, or they can click back and go back onto your video. Okay, so now what we can do is simply post the videos directly onto these social networks, and you can also embed this onto your website. We've got iframe code and also the embed code. You can select the dimensions and whether you want it also to autoplay. So I'm going to go ahead and post this actually onto Facebook, and you can see there's our video, and we can go ahead and either select whether we want to share it on our timeline, on a friend's timeline, in a group, or on a page we manage. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select a page, and I'm just going to post it onto this one, I love photography, just as a test. And you can also add in some more text up here. So I'm going to say check out this awesome video. Okay, and then I can simply just click on the share link button and it will be posted directly onto Facebook. Okay, so you can see that we have our video posted over here now, and if we click on the play button, you'll be able to see that our video loads and we can play the video with all the interactive features right there. Okay, and you'll be able to see after 5 seconds that the pop-up happens, and we can click on there and it'll go back to our website that we choose. You can see that with these interactive buttons, it really does get people's attention. Every time they put their mouse on the screen, they pop up, and if you want to give away a free gift, people are always looking for free things, and it really captures people's attention. You can send them back to your website that you choose, like so. Okay, so that's basically how to set up, a VidInfusion player really quickly and really easily to generate traffic, leads, and sales from the top social networking sites online. So right now, as it's the relaunch of VidInfusion, we have VidInfusion on a really special low discounted price for the next few days. So make sure to get access right away to claim it at the best price.